Tell me how you use your spare time and how you spend your money, and I will tell you where and what you will be in 10 years from now. A goal is a dream with deadline. The man who does more than he is paid for will soon be paid for more than he does. Don't wait. The time will never be just right. Start where you stand and work whatever tools you may have at your command, and better tools will be found as you go along. Some people dream of success, while others wake up and work hard at it. Most great people have achieved their greatest success just one step beyond their greatest failure. Success comes to those who become success conscious. Any idea, plan, or purpose may be placed in the mind through repetition of thoughts. When your desires are strong enough, you will appear to possess superhuman powers to achieve. The starting point of all achievement is desire. Keep this constantly in mind. Weak desires bring weak results, just as a small fire makes a small amount of heat. Great achievement is usually born of great sacrifice and never the result of selfishness. Opportunity often comes in the form of misfortune or temporary defeat. Every adversity, every failure, every heartbreak carries the seed of an equal or greater benefit. It is literally true that you can succeed best and quickest by helping others succeed. Success is good at any age, but the sooner you find it, the longer you will enjoy it. It takes half your life before you discover life is do-it-yourself project. A positive mind finds a way it can be done. A negative mind finds look for all the way it can't be done. The way of success is the way of continuous pursuit of knowledge. Deliberately seek the company of people who influence you to think and act on building the life you desire. You are the master of your destiny. You can influence, direct, and control your own environment. You can make your life what you want it to be. You give before you get. Strength and growth comes only through continuous effort and struggle. The ladder of success is never crowded at the top. The more you give, the more comes back to you. Think twice before you speak, because your words and influence will plant the seed of either success or failure in the mind of another.